But unfortunately, I was diagnosed with atrial fibrillation. Uh, this, among my other diagnoses, prevent me from being in austere environments anymore and affect my ability to work at like high altitudes. This makes my current job pretty difficult. So my unit put me behind a desk, just about my least favorite thing. I look forward to transitioning out of the military. That being said, I will be applying to several PA programs across the nation shortly here, whichever will have me. I just recently finished my bachelor's degree in health science with Purdue University Global. I still need a few prerequisite classes to make me a competitive candidate that previously were not offered in my health sciences degree. So currently, I'll be taking organic chemistry and genetics. Um, a little bit about me. I love taking care of people. I guess I would hope that most that pursue advanced medical harbor that attribute. Um, I've met some that don't. Because of that, I feel that some would characterize me as wearing my heart on my sleeve. It is a curse and a blessing. I'm sure some of you could relate. So there's that. I also can be pretty blunt. There's not much I can't stomach. Guess that has developed over the years of seeing some pretty messed up stuff. My wife accepts that, so I'm pretty lucky. I met her in Korea back in 2012. We married in 2013. The original plan was for her to be my sugar mama. Fortunately, she liked the converse idea of me working for the rest of my life and her living off of that. So there's that. So uh, so here I am. I am learning rather than playing golf and doing video games and binge watching Netflix. That's pretty much what I love right now. I used to be real like active. Um, I like all kinds of stuff. I used to play amateur. I was a semi-professional paintballer for a little bit, and I just loved extreme sports. But unfortunately, I can't do that anymore. I'm too messed up. So anyway, oh yeah, love Korea and the culture. I recommend the trip if you're ever planning to travel abroad. Uh, we also adopted our son there in Korea. He is a 40-pound, lovable heap of fur. A little bit about him. He looks like a miniature lab with German Shepherd fur. He has this like real like cute underbite. I don't know how to explain it. I'll show you guys pictures later. Um, we rescued him from a dog eating place. There's still some people left in Korea from like back in Korean War. They like dog. Um, so and fortunately they have to like monitor whether or not they neglect them. And he was at one of those places that was being neglected. So we rescued him. But anytime he acts out, I always remind him that he could have been dinner. So he stays in line. So that's my family. We currently live near Fort Polk, Louisiana. It's about 3 hours north east of Houston. I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri. I do miss my home, but me and my wife love traveling. So whichever PA school picks me up here in the near future is probably where we're headed. We're going to settle down for at least the foreseeable future. Guess that wraps up my intro. I look forward to working with you all. Hopefully we have an entertaining 8 condensed weeks. I'm scared. Someone tell me it'll be okay.